Back again, it's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. Well, in the morning, the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Branch, which they call the CTOC, is investigating a massive fraud scheme targeting financial institutions. Una hear that, my wisdom warriors? Una hear that? The CTOC is investigating a massive fraud scheme targeting financial institution. Let me give you an example. An example like SSL. Yeah? Okay, so this follows the arrest and charge of 5 suspects in the multi-million-dollar racket last week. But them say 5 charge in multi-million-dollar fraud scheme. But why them never give us the name? We wouldn't like to know who are those people. Are those people public officials? Who are those people? We would like to know. Because me not like the way how uno come out and una say yes, 5 charge in multi-million-dollar. But uno not call name. We need to know who are these people. Uno need to show with pictures. Uno need to show us pictures. Uno can't imagine, my wisdom warriors. They targeting financial institution. You know how much financial institution gone bankrupt? You know how much money gone missing from them place there? No, sir. We would like to know the names of those 5 persons. And we would like to see pictures. Next time, show pictures and give us the name. You understand? Because the public would like to know who are those people. Because when we hear financial institution, we don't know how it go already. Because we see what happened with SSL. You understand? We see what happened with SSL. So when we hear all these things, we want to know. Because we know, say, a lot of public officials involved in these things, allegedly. A lot of ministers involved in them, something here, allegedly. So we would like to know the names of the persons. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, hear this.
Crowds swelled in Retreat District in Glengough, St. Catherine, as the news spread that the decomposing body of Lisa Gate Kubre was found in a shallow grave. Lisa was 23 years old. Her body was buried somewhere behind her house where she lived with her mother, sister, and the man it said who confessed to her killing. It's 2 weeks now that she had been missing, but it's reported that the suspect went to the Constant Spring police station Tuesday morning where he confessed to the crime. He led the police to the scene behind the girl's house where he allegedly buried the body. The cops came well prepared to dig, and about half an hour later, confirmation came that her body was found.
Oh, God,
Her mother, Sonia Beverly, was rattled by the news. She wanted to hand down her own justice on the suspect. Miss Beverly said she was particularly hurt because she raised the suspect who lived with the family.
Him go to Cassava Primary School. I grew him from him at 10-year-old. And him same leave, him come back. Same leave, him come back. He leave and him come back.
What kind of person? What kind of work? He worked?
Him like him do like a gardener work and them stuff. Him like him with a kill pig and them way there at the butcher shop out there by Lawrence Tavern.
She said after her daughter disappeared, the suspect helped with the search for her.
I went to town Saturday to get some things like what you see up on the stall there. And when I come back, I don't see my daughter because she always there from years or 2 years so. And the boy up and down with me Saturday night, Sunday night, whole night. And wouldn't tell me Mr. Kirkside, him kill my daughter and sleep all in my house with me. I'm like I have a spirit in me, Mr. Kirk, and I said to him, say, I wonder if I you and your friend they make up and take away babe and go kill babe. Him say, boy, Bo!
A family friend, Miss Julie, told us the suspect remained close to the family.
Even Sunday we had a prayer meeting at the shop and they called for the family to pray for them. And Juki present himself, he was there.
This Juki is a suspect?
Yes. And the church prayed because there's a family and he's a part of the family. So he came and the church did pray.
What was his body language like at the time?
Well, he looked anxious, he's anxious. I don't know, something about Juki was off.
While the police investigate the motive for the killing, Miss Beverly says the suspect was generally respectful to her and her daughters.
So what was the relationship between him and her like? Were they good friends? They had a good rapport?
She talked to them, she talked with him all the while. Them take him for them brother. Because I don't have any boy children, I don't have any son, I have 4 girls.
Residents waited around for a while and demanded that the police hand over the suspect to them before they whisk him away. Kirk Wright, TVJ News. The crowd swelled in Retreat District in Glengough, St. Catherine as the news spread that the decomposing body of Lisa Gate Kubre was found in a shallow grave. Lisa was 23 years old. Her body was buried somewhere behind her house where she lived with her mother, sister, and the man it said who confessed to her killing. It's 2 weeks now that she had been missing, but it's reported that the suspect went to the Constant Spring police station Tuesday morning where he confessed to the crime. He led the police to the scene behind the girl's house where he allegedly buried the body. The cops came well prepared to dig, and about half an hour later, confirmation came.
My wisdom warriors, it is a sad situation, seriously. It is a sad situation. Mighty God. Honestly, last night, me did put up a video and I show you how, a lady missing and they couldn't find her. Now, obviously, me I show you what go on. You understand me? This is the man I'll go, go get prayer with the family. Then go get prayer. And the man was there. But it has come to my attention that something is wrong with the guy. Them say something wrong with the guy and something wrong with the girl. You understand? Boy, I mean, no know. Then if something wrong with the guy, how? Them say something wrong with him. But look what him do. He go bury her body. He burn her and he go bury her body in a shallow grave. How him know if he do all of that if something wrong with him, my wisdom warriors? How him know if he do all of that? I try cover up. Mighty God of Daniel. But let me tell you now. You see, if you don't have a family member, yeah, when not well, and you have it, just say for example, 2 of them. You know fi family and friends. You must allow the 2 of them alone for they by themselves. No, you fi keep an eye on them because remember, so they're sick, so anything can happen. But boy, I don't know them say that the man is sick, but him me not understand how him sick and him a try cover up murder. Him sick and him a dig grave, him a do everything he know what him a do. He know exactly what he's doing, my wisdom warriors. No, sir. Something all right. I just want to say rest in peace and my condolence goes out to the family. My deepest condolence goes out to the family. Mighty God, man, she not deserve this. She not deserve it. Anyway, tell me what you think. Take a look at this former house speaker, my wisdom warriors. Marissa Dalrymple Philibert or whatever she name, yeah? This lady make false declaration. Yeah, this lady you see here. Right now, her case is in court. And I see the labor right them have her all round attack how she's going to be the standard bearer for the Jamaica Labour Party and pure bullshit. Me tell you no all the while, so Jamaica Labour Party is nothing but corruption. Them born corruption, then sleep corruption, then breed corruption, then thief corruption. Listen to me. Them is just corruption. Can you imagine? This woman make false declaration. And me not understand. The same thing with Ruel Reid situation did really worse than fear own. But come on, my God. Them have these type of people out and about. You see how them stay? It is okay if you feed them little thief and feed them little criminal out and about. And it is okay. You see how these labor rights stay. When I see this, I'm like, what the hell? By election for Southern Trelawney soon, Marissa Dalrymple Philibert, she resigned. She resigned. She is not coming back. She's not coming back. Me hear say my wisdom warriors, Andrew Wellness want her back. So I'm going to choose her. This is what me hearing. I don't know if a true or a lie. But let me tell you something. This lady make false declaration. Right now, it is in court. 2 weeks ago, she got court and the judge never turned up or something like that. You understand? So them put it off. So me not understand what is going on. This woman resigned. She not fi come back. You not fi respect the law of the land. You not fi respect the Jamaican people, man. Come on. You not have nothing about you. Not the Jamaica Labour Party, they not have nothing about them, my wisdom warriors. There's nothing credible about them. There's nothing credible about them. This woman make false declaration. She should be prosecuted. She should be in prison right now. She should be prosecuted because if that was UNO labor right, we are run down these people, our UNO PNP. Remember me tell you no, they lock up on the backside and dash for the key long time. You understand? Right is right, wrong is wrong, man. What she do is wrong. So why UNO talk about she's going to be Jamaica Labour Party standard bearer? Where? UNO love too much corruption. That's why corruption and crime and violence will never stop in Jamaica, will never go away. Jesus mercy. 2 stakeholders in the business community have raised concerns about how the country's unemployment rate is measured. You hear that? Remember, Nigel Clark come out yesterday, and him say employment drop and gone down to 4.2%. So, he must say they're doing very well. If you're working 1 day or 2 days, yeah, from your work in them class that as employment. So, for example, if you work 1 2 day, you do one like a 3 hour, 1 4 hour, then say that employment. Hey, listen, Jamaica Labour Party with them fake bogus statistic every day. Them fake bogus statistic crime rate. Lord Jesus, me can't bother with them, my wisdom warriors. Hey, them people here, they only want to look good, But the reality, they don't want to face the reality. They only want to look good for international news. For stop it, man. For stop it. So the stakeholders come out now. 2 stakeholders. And listen, and a Gleaner put this out, A Mouthpiece put this out. Me make that clear. Take a good look. Every day you get up and chat about Gleaner. When Gleaner now do not know more expose the truth. And through Gleaner expose the truth now. The whole out dirty nasty mouth Everall Warmington come out and set on the people them pan Gleaner. But no worry, man. Uno now get another term. Uno can't stay there. Uno can't stay there. No matter how buy Uno want buy out Jamaican people. One thing me have to tell Jamaican people. Name them out and vote them out. Just like Uno always do it. And so we are do it. Because me can't tell Uno say if you don't take your money, But one thing me I tell Uno say. Name them out and vote them out. Take the money and vote out. They nasty rat in the wall. You can't imagine, my wisdom warriors. 2 stakeholders in the business community have raised concern about how the country unemployment rate is measured. Lord Jesus. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica, Statin, defines employment as any individual 14 years and older who is engaged in some economic activity for at least 1 hour in a given week. So when I try to tell me, say, then if somebody work for 1 hour in a 1 week on a class that as employment, say uni is a shit house. Say uni is a one set a shit house. Hey, Jano, Jamaican people is joking with the government. That's all me can say. My wisdom warriors. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica, Statin, defines employment as any individual from 14 years and older who is engaged in some economic activity for at least 1 hour in a given week. And then I put the rest, But we know what that means. That means, say, that is classed as employment. That is not a job. That is not a job. You better come up and say, all right, maybe if somebody working 18 hours a week or somebody working, more than say 16 hours a week, 17 or maybe 20 hours a week, yes, that is classed as employment. You can't say if somebody work 1 hour, come on. This is foolishness. Listen, Lord, Mr. The Labour right, them have it up and say, whoa, government are do good. Lie, radam. Government is not doing good, man. You have to stop it. So, on mean fi tell we the Jamaican people say, if a person work 1 hour out of the whole week, that is classed as employment. Nigel Clark, you, I hope I hear your name upon the pan the IC report. You is a little rich. You is a little rich. And you run go take up the IMF post. I think so we are fool boy. Yeah. You run go apply for it because you know what is coming. You know what is coming. Me say I can't wait for them. I wish I you depend it. I you me want for depend it. You're too bad man and terrible. You're too terrible. Mighty God of Daniel, my wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think, yeah, man, and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, my people. Me I go catch you now in the next video, all right? Right now, at the gym, me I go on 1 bag of something, man. I don't know the things set already. I don't know, me have to strong up the body and 1 bag of something, all right? So me have to do a short one. But later, me go drop some more video, all right? Blessings upon blessings. One love.